Welcome back to the Technical CAD. In this video, I will show you how to work with layers and its properties. Please watch the full video, don't skip anywhere. Let's go into the video. Layers are one of the most important topic in AutoCAD. If we see the drawing on the screen, you can notice drawing lines, dimensions and center lines. In this basic drawing, you can differentiate, but when coming to the complex drawing, it's not possible to differentiate easily. We will get confused. To overcome that problem, we need layers. Let's start with layer properties. Just go to the layer properties. Here we will get the layers on the screen. So we have drawn using the layer default layer using 0. If you want to create a new layer, so these are all the options. So there are 4 options here, and these are the 3 options. Total 7 options are there here. So first one is new layer. So we can give the shortcut called Alt N. Press that, and now we can give the name for that. So just give drawing lines. And here we have on, freeze, lock. So we will see these 3 options later in the video. So now I will go for color. So I will change the color to let's take blue. Let's take blue and give OK. Let it be continuous line. Let it be a continuous line for the drawing. And now we have to go for line weight. So line weight is like we can give the thickness of that line. So by default it will be in default. We can change the thickness. But for line I can give 0.30 mm thickness and give OK. Okay. Now transparency, let it be 0. By using the transparency, we can manage the visibility of the drawing. So we can manage the visibility. By, let's take 0 to 90. Only transparency, it's a value between 0 to 90. So if you give 0, the visibility is more. If you give 90, the visibility is very much less. I can show you in other option that. Now let's start with another layer. So that is for center lines. Center lines, and now here we can select color is red. Okay. And now line type we have to change it for center. So if the center line option is not available here, you have to go for load. Here different types of lines will be there. So there you have to select center. Okay. So reload center, because already I am having the center line here. Select the center and give OK. Let's take this one as default 0 mm. Okay. So next we have dimensions also here. So for that purpose we have to create dimension. So go for dimension, and now select the color as green for dimension. Line type we can go for continuous again. Okay, so these are the different types of lines we are having. So we have to do that. We have to do this type of layers. So for this basic drawing only, we have got around 3 to 4 layers. So if it is a complex drawing, we can make n number of layers. For a complex drawing, we get around 20 to 30 layers. Okay, so that is the way how we can work with layers. Now go for drawing. So now apply the layers to this drawing. So select this object and go for here as it's my drawing lines. So these are my drawing lines, and select this circle and select drawing lines. Okay. Now see, the drawing lines have been differentiated using the layer, and now here you can see the dimension break. So in the drawing everything is separated. So dimensions, we have gap for the dimensions, and we have the dimension break here. See, so we have to modify this to center lines. Center lines. Now you can see the line has been changed to its type. And now dimensions. So select these dimensions and give dimension lines. Sorry, dimensions. So for this purpose we can now let's see the remaining options. Remaining options are go for layer properties. We have to see on, freeze and lock. Okay, so I will explain in detail by using another drawing. So just move that, and so let's draw 3 drawings here. So just draw 3 circles, and now I will apply the layers. So one is center lines. Otherwise let's create some more layers, layer properties. So go for new property. So let it be layer 1. Change the color. So this color, and go for another new layer. So where you can change the color to this one, 124, and give another color. The color will be like just go for this one, anything it may be, no problem. So now apply that colors. So select this one, go for layer 1. Now select this circle, layer 2. Now select this third circle and give layer 3. Okay, these are the 3 different layers I am having on the screen. So now I will, here you can see the layer. I'll go for layer 1. So I will switch off the layer 1. Here see, switch on, the layer will get switch on, switch off. Now I will show you layer 2, freeze, unfreeze. So both are doing the same function, but there is a little difference. I'll show you. So layer 1 I will switch off, and layer 2 I'll freeze. Okay, now I'll close this. I will go for ER, enter, sorry, go for erase option. Erase, E, enter, select objects and give enter. So now it has been erased. And now go for again layers, layer properties, and now switch on this, unfreeze this. So still we are having the options, but if I go for E, sorry, just I'll go for layer properties back, and I will switch off the layer 1 and freeze layer 2. Now I'll go for erase, E, enter, all. So I will remove all the objects. So now see, there is nothing on the screen. So if I will go for layer properties again, and I will switch on this and unfreeze this, so only the freezed object we have got, we got back. So whatever the object we have used for switch on or off, that and all have been deleted. Only the freezed option have been returned. So that's the difference between switch off and freeze, switch off on or on and freeze. So here freeze option we can reduce the background work of the system. So if you freeze, that layers will not be on background. So if you use any command, it will not be applied on that frozen layers. So that is the option froze. And lock. So lock is like we can lock and it's not possible to change the dimensions. We have got to previous drawing again, and now go for layer lock, and I will lock my layer as this one. I will go for drawing lines and lock this layer. Okay, now close this. Now you can see whenever I place the mouse button on the drawing, so it's showing a lock symbol. So it means that the layer has been locked. It's not possible to edit. We can't edit the size, or we can't move that. See, we can't move that. So that is the purpose of lock. If I select this, I can move this line wherever I need, but if you lock that, it's not possible. So that is the purpose of lock here. And now go for layer properties again. And now here 0.30 I have given, but it's not showing on the screen, right? So I have to go for LW. So it's a line weight, enter, and here we have an option called display line weight. So I'll click that and give OK. So now you can see the line weight has been displayed. So that is the way we can use the display line weight. The shortcut is LW. So these are all the properties. If you switch off the plot option, so if I switch off the center lines plot, so it will not be coming in print. So on the drawing, on the screen, it will be visible, but whenever I take the print, it will not available on the paper. So go for print. So select PDF, high quality print, and I'll go for A3 sheet. I'll go for A4 sheet, it's not a problem. ISO A4 297 210, and fit to the paper, center the plot, display, go for window, and let's take somewhere here. This is my paper. And now preview. Now see, you don't have any center lines here because we have in layer properties plot option, we have switched off the plot option for the center lines. See, so that's the purpose of this plot option here. And transparency, if I reduce the transparency here to 50 or 60, okay, close. Now you see the transparency have been reduced. So you can see the difference. When we have 0, it's very bright. See, it's very bright. So whenever I increase the transparency to 70, see, automatically the brightness have been reduced to the transparency value. Okay, and now here we have one more option called new viewport freeze. So what is that new viewport freeze? I'll show you. So already we have two layouts here. So this is called a viewport. This is called a viewport. I mean, so whatever the drawing is there, na, black color border, it's a viewport. We can create a different viewports. And if I go for layer properties, and I will switch off that new viewport freeze. So I'll go for dimensions and new viewport freeze. So I'll freeze that in new viewport so that I can go for a new layout where I can get only the drawing. So I am not getting the dimensions because I have freezed in the new viewport. I mean, this is the new viewport I have created again. So in this new viewport, the dimensions will be in frozen condition. So that is the concept here. So these are the layer properties. Next, we have an option called new layer viewport frozen in all viewports. So if you create a layer, that will create here, but what will happen is, so it will be automatically frozen in a new viewport here. See, that's the concept of new viewport layer. And next we can delete, so I will delete that. And next is set current. Set current is for whatever the drawing. So for suppose I will set current my center line and close that. So whatever the drawing I will draw, that will be coming in center line only. It will not be coming in default layer because we have set current that center line layer into the present layer. That is a concept here. And now, so I hope you understand this. And next, coming back to these three options, here it is a filter. So filter is like we have to separate. So if there is any requirement of separating n number of layers, I mean separating of 10 layers from the n number of layers, then we can use this property filter. Based on the properties, we can filter the layers. Go for new property filter. So based on the color property, I am going to filter. So select this one, and now red color. If I filter, so whatever the color property is there, that will be filtered, and okay. So in properties filter only we will get red color filter. So not only color, so you can give any property. So whether you can give the line weight, so now select this line type. So in line type you can select line weight 0.30. okay. So like this you can edit whatever there is a property, we can do that. So line type solid line. Okay, so if you give solid line, so whatever there are continuous lines, that will be available here. If you give center line, only that option will be available. So if you give 0.30, okay, so that will be, because with the center and 0.30 there are no layers, so that's why it's not visible. Okay, that's a property filter, and you can change the name here and give okay. Let's go for group filter. Group filter, the name itself called a group, so go for all used layers. And now, so if you don't know properties, just you need you can drag the layers into the group filter. So I need a layer 1, so just drag and place in the group filter, layer 2, and the drawing lines, I need drawing lines, group filter. So now go for group filter. So whatever I have dragged, so that have been coming into the group filter. So that is the purpose of group filter. So properties filter will be used for filtering the layers using properties. Group filter is for, like, if you don't know properties, then you can go for group filter. And this option is layer states manager. Layer states manager is like, so we are having this many layers in this drawing. So but whenever you create a new drawing, see in this new drawing, so we don't have any layers, so it will be default a 0 layer. So if you want to import these layers, if you want to import these layers to that second drawing, so there you can go for layer status. Go for layer states manager and give new, select drawing 1 layers, DWG 1 layers, and give, if you want to give any description about that layers you can give, otherwise give OK. And now go for export, and I will export that to desktop, my desktop, and the file type will be LAS layer states, and give OK, and close. Now go for drawing 2 and go for the same layer states manager. Now go for import. There here change the file type to .las. You can get the drawing layers name and give open. Restore, could not restore all line types. Okay, you can restore states. So there you can restore all the layers. So only line type has not restored, so that we have to change. Center. Okay. So like this we can change, we can import and export the layers. So that is the layer states manager. I hope you understand the topic. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. Also do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you.